So now we're going to talk about foam rolling the thoracic spine. So we're going to start right here, base of the ribs, and just go up to the top of the shoulders. So I'm going to set this right at the base of my ribs, lean back, lift my pelvis up so I can get my weight on there. I'm going to use my hands, kind of curl them around like this typically. That gets my shoulder blades out of the way. Also, if I have a ponytail, I want to hold that. Or a hoodie, you don't want that to get stuck underneath the foam roller. You can get stuck in some awkward positions. So here we are, and we're just going to use our legs, contract our hamstrings to roll back and forth, get a nice massage of the paraspinal muscles, the lats, the traps, get some blood flow going through that area. From here, I like to add a little bit of flexion and extension. So what we're doing, just starting right there at the base, moving a little bit, flexing up and down, just allowing those vertebrae to move on top of each other. Each segment should be moving separately. You might find areas, usually the broad line area up between the shoulder blades, where you're a little bit more stuck. This is a really nice exercise to do when you're warmed up after you've went for a run, after a hot shower. You might get some little pops as things self-release through there. And so you can work all the way up to the base of your neck. There. So just a really simple exercise for mobilizing your thoracic spine.